2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That leaves only 3 minnows. Not very good odds for the minnows. Let's switch to the white ball. Actually, same rules.
Watch. They're going to play against them.
What? Whoa. Did you guys hear that? What? Oh. Coach Kate says none of the sharks can get her. Coach Kate, you shouldn't say that. They're very fast. What? What?
Actually,
Oh, you'll never, ever get her ball. All right. You guys all ready? John. Go ahead and go.
Go get her.
Oh, good. You kicked my ball back. I'm safe. Thank you. I was safe.